So I thought
Why do you
I
start
will say a few words or sing a song which I sing when I talk to my buffaloes. Being a farmer, my buffaloes only used to understand the Tulu language that I used to speak. If I spoke to them in Kannada, they were not understanding. So I use that language when I speak to the buffaloes, and this is connected with the buffaloes that I sing two lines. O maga koraga warmbarayana, O maga koraga warmbarayana, O maga koraga warmbarayana, Yerubatunda balpu maga beri budoda, Yerubatunda balpu maga beri budoda, O maga koraga warmbarayana. Sir, this is the way we
But what does it mean?
You sing like a regular singer.
Translate it, ना? इसका मतलब क्या है?
It says that if a buffalo comes before you, it starts chasing you, you run away, don't face the buffalo. Buffalo is an animal which will attack you, but you have to tame the animal and then you can manage the buffalo. This is the way we sing when we do the cultivation, when we plow the land, we use this line. Sir,